Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Today we have a very special recipe. It's time for dessert. We're making a chocolate almond strawberry tart. And I'm dressed like I'm ready to go to the club. What's up? Alright, so anyway, I thought this would be perfect for Mother's Day since it is coming up and mothers love chocolate and strawberries. So we're gonna do it up nice. Before we get started, if you guys want to follow along, all of the measurements for the ingredients will be listed in the info box below, so don't worry about that. And this is extra special because it's also gluten-free, so all of our gluten-free people, what up? Okay, so we're gonna start with the crust. So I already measured out my coconut oil because it's a pain in the butt, let's be real.
Yeah.
So if it's solid, just make sure you melt it down. Put the container in some warm water to melt it, and then you can measure it out very easily. So to that, we're going to add our cacao powder. Cacao to cacao, if any Portlandia fans are watching. How much fun is that, Nina? Okay, so just make sure you get everything in there.
I love cacao powder.
No! Oh my god, you're so good at the Nina voice, it freaks me out. Can you do Lance too?
No.
Nina. Nina, come here. Okay.
Nina, I'm the pull-out king.
No! Oh my god, no. Okay, so now we're gonna add our almond flour. So we got a lot of this. We got 1.5 cups. Whoa! Would you say that's like a cup, or is that less than a cup?
That is less. It's 1.5 cups, so just do that, and then the half cup be generous with.
No, there we go. That's like 1.
You are so obstinate.
This is like 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this like a Mother's Day therapy session too?
You know what? If we get real today, we get real. That's just what's gonna happen.
Okay.
Okay, and that's...
Not a half cup.
Stop! Do I need to set up a tripod?
No.
That's about a half, I would say.
Okay.
Alright, we're sticking with the coconut theme. We're gonna add some coconut sugar here. Just a tablespoon. Nothing too crazy.
It's like your coconut sugar baby there.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It is for Mother's Day, so, you know, gotta stick with the theme. Alright, and then we're just gonna add a pinch of salt. Of course, we love the Himalayan sea salt because who doesn't love the color pink? Obviously, I love it. Now we are gonna give this a good mix. I got my trusty rice paddle here because not only is it good for mixing, but this is gonna be great for pressing the crust down into the, what would you call that, a pan?
This is called a springform pan.
Yeah, it's a springform. I never know if I should call it like a pan or like a tray.
It's a springform pan because the sides spring off and you're left with the bottom so that you don't have to dig it out.
Yeah.
When you cut it, it's gonna be like it's on a little plate already.
Right. There was a really long time where I was just like afraid of trying cooking and stuff because Mom is so good at it. But now,
oh, what?
I know, right? So it's just like, I'm gonna be a loser if I do it. I suck. No, but for real, Mom has such great skills.
That looks beautiful.
Thank you. Do you think that's pretty good, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So now we have our springform pan.
Right.
So we're just gonna put our crust in here. Just get it all in there.
So if yours is not super non-stick like this one, it would probably be a good idea to spray it, yeah.
This one is exceptional though.
Mm-hmm.
We really like it.
Yeah.
And we don't have to spray. So now you're just gonna spread out your little crummies. This is great because it's kind of like a graham cracker crust.
It is like a graham cracker crust.
Yes, so we're just going to make sure that's all off the spoon here, the paddle.
Here you can...
No, I like having duty hands.
Oh, you do?
No. We are going to press this in to make a really nice, even crust. Alright, so here's our beautiful crust.
You're
all
damn
spread
right,
out.
it is beautiful.
Thank you. So,
good job.
We're going to go ahead and put this in the fridge so that it can chill for a little bit and kind of solidify some more while we're making our filling, and then we'll bring it back out. Alright, we're ready to make our filling. So we are going to start with our non-dairy milk. You can use any non-dairy milk, but today we're going to go with this oat milk because why not? Oh, I should shake this first.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Right, you should always shake your non-dairy milk just to be safe. So we're actually going to take this oat milk and pour it into this bowl. And then we're going to heat it up in the microwave and pour it over our chocolate chips to melt them. So before we get there, let's just make sure there's no spillies. Okay, success.
Yeah.
We did it. All right, we can all go home now. Oh wait, I already am. All right, so we're gonna bring this over to the microwave. You wanna heat this up for between 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how strong your microwave is. We're gonna go with 40 seconds and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I already have my chocolate chips here, waiting to be bathed in this hot oat milk. Ooh!
Vegan chocolate chips, by the way.
Yes, of course. So we're gonna dump this on. Oh, the bowl's really hot. And we're just gonna give it about 30 seconds to kind of do its thing, and then we'll start mixing it a little bit just to make sure it's all melty delicious. So this has been sitting. It looks like, ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So we're just gonna give that a nice little stir. Make sure everything is creamy wonderfulness.
That you are making a ganache right now.
Look, it's turning into chocolate milk.
It's turning into chocolate ganache, actually.
Yeah, which is pretty
Even
much
better.
one of the best things in the world.
Pretty much.
So basically you want to make sure that it's like all one substance. You don't want it to be like you have chips that are kind of melted and then you have like milk on top. You want to make sure it's like all homogeneous loveliness. It's just one chocolatey treat. So I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So now we are going to add in our fruit preserves, and like I said at the beginning, we are doing strawberries today. You can do whatever fruit you want. You just want to make sure you match your preserves that are going to be in the filling to the fruit that you're going to be decorating with on the top. So we got our strawberries here.
I don't know if you could do any fruit you want. I don't think I would recommend watermelon.
Well, yeah, that'd be kind of weird. But like if you're going to do raspberries, blueberries,
right?
Maybe like peaches? I don't know.
Oh, that might be fun.
That could be cool.
Yeah.
Good. Cool, good. Ghoul. Anyway, so now we're gonna add in our strawberry preserves. Mom's gonna check her for what?
Yeah.
Looking good. These preserves are making me want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Survivor style.
Right? Oh, the food on Survivor always looks so good. All right, you can enjoy that,
Thank
little
you.
baby. And we are going to continue to mix this. Again, you want it to be all one deliciousness. I think that looks pretty nice.
I think that's ready to go.
All right, now that we have that all mixed, that is it for the filling. It's so easy. It's not that many ingredients, and we're ready to pour it on top of our crust, which we just took out of the refrigerator. So again, the hardest part here is just not making a huge mess. I'm very good at doing that. So we're just gonna, ooh, spread that all around. Look at that. It's a chocolate dream.
It is gonna be so hard to wait for dessert tonight.
I know, right? Ugh. Mom said the best way to spread this, oh, there you go, is to just kind of work it a little bit. I think it's like a laziness thing because then we don't have to clean the spoon off again.
We hate cleaning up.
But honestly, this is doing a really good job.
Right?
So Mother knows best. It's really easy. So you just want to make sure it's as even as possible.
Yeah.
I think that looks pretty good.
I think that's A++.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and add our fruit topping. So earlier I cut up a bunch of strawberries. We're not gonna use all of these, but I think we're gonna use a pretty good amount, so.
Put a good chunk in there.
Yeah, I don't know what pattern to do.
Wow. Oh, that looks so nice already.
It's aesthetically pleasing.
Yes.
So we're just gonna see what I come up with here.
All right, we'll
Should
check
be
that.
fun. You can do whatever you want. Guys, so it's a really good thing that this is for Mother's Day because this is a tart that only a mother can love. And I'm not talking about myself.
Oh, I don't know.
Anyway, I kind of had a few mishaps, but it's okay because the taste is more than going to make up for it.
Okay, we snuck some tastes already, so.
We did. We had a few strawberries that were just maybe a little bit dipped in the chocolate filling, and it was so good. I can't wait to actually try this. But we're gonna put this in the fridge for a few hours, and we will taste it later. But you wanna put this in the fridge for a few hours, chill it, make sure it solidifies a little bit, and then you'll be good to go. This gorgeousness.
Oh, wow. Here we go.
Time to cut it.
Probably would have done a little bit better, a little bit longer.
Yeah, but we just can't stay away.
Where's the server?
We're in a little bit of a time crunch. Okay, okay. Nice. Looking good.
Pile it up.
Let's see what Mom thinks.
Mmm.
Yeah? Yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Oh, I just want to see you taste it.
I'm about to have a giant piece of my own, but just a quick taste. Mmm.
Right?
That is so good.
All right.
I love it.
I think if you put it in the freezer and then just take it out a little, yeah, it'll hold together better, but that's good.
That's really good. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you guys give it a try because it's amazing.
And so simple.
Yeah, it's really easy to put together.
So subscribe for more. We got you gluten-free.
Give it a thumbs up if you liked it.
And until next time, much love.